Hi, I'm Lisa Dorfman, Running Nutritionist and Chef Ambassador for Fully Fresh. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy February. I just feel surrounded by beautiful flowers and love. And, this is actually the 57th National Heart Month. Yes, the consecutive American Heart Association. It's an educational month, but it's also a celebration of all the things that we could do to help prevent and manage heart disease. Every 37 seconds, somebody dies of heart disease. And what's more than that is for women, more than 233,000 women die each year of heart disease. Now, February is also my birthday month. And I just reached that milestone, that halfway through this lifetime mark. So I need to be especially aware of some of the signs and symptoms of heart disease. For women, that's just slightly different. We get some GI distress and nausea. Yes, we'll have the pain down our arms. And for anybody, though, it is our opportunity to empower ourselves with tools like exercise, like diet, to help prevent this deadly disease. What's really beautiful about this month is that I'm also celebrating Fully Fresh's beet sprouts. Our featured beet sprouts are not only delicious and absolutely beautiful in any dish, they're so pink, kind of a deep pink magenta color. I love making hummus and baked breads with the beets. But this month I prepared a vegan cheesecake. Yes, everybody wants sweets in a sweet month, right? So I prepared a vegan cheesecake infusing not only fresh beets from the garden, but our beet sprouts into a mixture of cashews and organic shortening. You could use organic coconut oil. And interestingly enough, the crust is made with oats, vegan butter, an almond gluten-free all-purpose mix. It's super easy to make. You make the crust is baked within like 20 minutes, and then you mix up this cashew beet sprout cheesecake center. You put it in this cooled crust and then freeze it overnight or for a few hours until it's kind of like a frozen, crusty, yummy, wonderful. I love to just take a bite while we're speaking. The next recipe that I prepared is a beet sprout vegan ice cream, using some of those cashews that I soaked overnight and mixed it with a vegan yogurt. Now, if you're not vegan, you can mix it with a Greek yogurt. I put some vanilla in that, and again, I blend it up. I do use like about a cup of real whole beets, and of course our beet sprouts, and voila, you have this like incredibly beautiful um, ah, pink magenta color vegan ice cream that's creamy, delicious. So what's better than serving sweets to your sweetheart, and not only that, but taking care of their heart in the long run? Beets are a great source of natural nitrates, which in the body is converted to nitric oxide. And that helps to infuse oxygen and energy to our muscles, to our heart. So beet sprouts are great all around for all of us, for all of our hearts. So from my heart to yours, happy Valentine's Day, happy February, happy beet sprout month, and I'll see you all next month.